Hi, everyone. It's Mr. Honeyman checking in. It is September 20th. I can't believe how fast the school year is going. It's already halfway through the first quarter already. So now that we're moving through a few more weeks, we're starting to get some of the general procedures and resources down. So I wanted to share some things that are available to you all. First thing about grades. So we have a number of assignments that are going to show up all year long, like the notebook checks, independent reading checks, articles of the week, sentence of the week quizzes, um, the book of the month, which we'll introduce like next week. So these are going to show up all year long, and the expectations for them should get pretty cemented in, so the kids will be able to know exactly what they need to do to be able to be successful. Along with that, though, now we're starting to get into some of these LA units. There's also going to be like specific assignments for each unit. So right now we're in a memoir unit. So the kids will have a memoir rough draft assignment that'll be due, that we've been working on this week, and then next week the final draft will be due. But we'll have more of those in each unit. For the big final essays or big tests, I will offer retakes, especially for the kids that get like D's and F's, or revisions on a paper if they need to. I will probably force the kids that get like an F or a D on a big paper to revise a little bit. But otherwise, like, kids can advocate for themselves and just check in with me and be like, hey, I want to do another draft. So next, I got two things that I want to share with you guys about some resources that we have available. First, we started doing what we call Sentence of the Week, which will be like a weekly activity that will touch on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, to kind of teach them grammar and to help them become stronger writers. So for that, I will usually teach a concept on Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we'll do like small activities with it for like 2-3 minutes each day. And then Friday, we'll have a really short assessment on it where I'll say something like, now write me an example sentence using this rule. It should be really great to help kids become stronger writers. And then also when they go on later in life and they have to take like the SAT, ACT, it should be really helpful on that. For that, though, I'm going to record every Monday lesson on it and put that on YouTube for the kids that are absent and the kids that need reteaching on it. So those will be on YouTube most weeks, probably by Monday after school. So check out the YouTube channel, or encourage your kids to check out the YouTube channel, especially if we notice that they're doing poorly on these quizzes, as more and more of them happen. That brings me to my next point. Another way that you guys can stay up on what we're doing in class is by following my YouTube channel, which is you just either click the link in this letter and subscribe, or if you just Google Honeyman, Robert Honeyman YouTube channel, you should be able to find it. There are a couple other Robert Honeymans out there, so be careful. So in addition to posting the sentence of the weeks there, I'm also going to post videos for any like big concepts I teach. So last week we were talking about big idea and theme in our memoirs. This week we were talking about sensory details and being descriptive. I will record that and put them on YouTube. So that's great for absent kids, but it's also great for you all to kind of get a glimpse of what we're doing in class. And it's a great way for you to know and be able to talk to your kids knowledgeably about what they're learning. So check that out and subscribe. There'll probably be one of those videos uploaded about every week or every other week. So I encourage you to subscribe. Finally, I've been really impressed with all the reading that the kids are doing. We've already crossed the 100 book mark for all of my students combined, and we're 6 weeks into school. Now, so the daily independent reading and writing will remain an assignment, but I'm really heartened by how many of the kids are just diving into these books. But I want to encourage you to remind your kids to write at home as well. While most of the kids are reading every day, a lot of the kids are only writing like maybe once a week, and it's going to start having big negative impacts on their grades. So as always, please reach out to me if you guys have any questions or concerns. I'm here to support you and your students as they're trying to grow as people. So appreciate you guys, and have a wonderful life.